Cool, caring, but casual. Be optimistic and give your best. It was a day when I completed 10 years at Hinduja Tech. It was a milestone for me. When I look back, it was a journey of hard work, overcoming challenges, and lot of success stories. Organization's growth in capability and capacity. In Hinduja Tech, my executive leadership and my manager has always guided me and supported me throughout my journey. Gratitude, to be thankful, to appreciate, and be kind. I would want to be a good host, cook, and sing lots of songs for my guests. I talked to my son about my childhood, all the shortfalls, how education is important, and how it has shaped my career. More than love, I think hard work has paid me more. Allow them to express their thoughts, listen to them, and come to a common ground. Jack of all trades allows me to be flexible, to play various different roles, which is need of the hour. Company has given me various roles to play, and I have tried my best to perform each of them. Listen, analyze, and discuss with both the parties to resolve it. Freedom to show talent. MS Dhoni. He is cool, composed, and very kind. I think I want to meet Albert Einstein, the most intelligent man on this earth. My parents, for who I am today. Thank you.